First, ma'am, wish you all a very happy Friendship Day. And today, ma'am is going to give you last 10 minutes of the session to unmute your audio, unmute your video, and see your friend and wish them. Yes? Are you all happy now? Yes? Yes. Say yes, ma'am, loudly. You all are going to have an awesome session today. Yes? Very good. Yes, children. And today, so far, you have been reading English, Maths, Hindi, Tamil, yes or no? And also phonics. Phonics also you were reading. But today, you're going to read a new subject. You're going to know the basics about a new subject. Are you all eager to listen to it? Yes? Shall we see what is it? Yes? In grade 1, you all had a subject called computer science. Yes or no? Yes or no? You know the basics of computers. Yes? So now in second standard also, you're going to have computer science as your subject. And today, we all are going to just see a basic things, few basic. Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am? Girija, ma'am, can you hear me? Children, can you hear me, ma?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes, children. So today we are going to learn so many things, okay? And yes, computer science. How many of you have computers in your home? Just raise your hand. How many of you have computers in your hand? Yes, now, children, now you be on mute. Just listen to today's class. Later, ma'am will give time for you to unmute your audio, unmute your video, and wish your friends. Yes? Yes. I know my children will cooperate with me. Yes, children? Yes? Yes. Very good. Yes. How many of you have computers in your home? Just raise your hand. Let me see how many of you all are having. Wow, so many of you, everyone, almost everyone is having computers in your home. Yes or no? Yes, but many of you will be having laptops. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now, today, we are going to see about desktop computer. What we are going to see about desktop computer. Okay, desktop computer is nothing but you will have it on your table, not on your lap. Okay, it's not about laptop computer. And today we are going to see about desktop computers. Yes, are you all eager? Yes. So the chapter 1, the name of the first chapter is working with computer. What is the name of the chapter 1 in your computer science? Working with computer. I want everyone to say it aloud.
Hello.
Yeah, Ashwini ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, first chapter. What is the name of the first chapter? Working with computer. All of you say it loudly. So you're now going to learn so many things about how to work with computers. Till now, you will seek your parents' help, right? Ma, how to use a computer, how to use it. But now, ma'am is going to teach you all how to use a computer on your own. Yes, many of you know how to use your mobile phone. I know that. Yes, many of you will have started using your mobile phone on your own. But computers, no. Ma'am, I don't know to use a computer. Yes, now we will read step by step how to use a working with computer. Yes, children. So, learning objectives for this lesson is what and all you're going to learn in this lesson, ma'am is going to say. Okay. For working on with computer, you should know how to start a computer. Yes or no? If you know to start a computer only, you can work on with. Yes or no, children? Yes, you should know how to start a computer. Features of a computer. Okay, what is feature? What is features of a computer, ma'am? What is features of computer? Feature means special attributes, special things, speciality about this computer. Okay, you're going to know about that also. So how to start a computer, then features of a computer, then you will know about icons in the desktop. Icons. All of you say this word loudly, children. Icons. Loudly. I want everyone to say it loudly. Icons. Yes? Yes, very good. So you're going to know about icons of the in the desktop. Yes. So what is icon? Ma'am is saying icons in the desktop. What is icon, children? What is icon? Icon is nothing but a representative symbol. Okay, it will be in the symbol type thing. For each has a different symbol in computer. Yes or no? If you click on that particular symbol, you can operate with its functions. Yes, with its features. Yes. So icons is nothing but a representative symbol. Yes. Okay. Then how to, after working on with the computer, will you leave the computer just like that? Yes. Okay. I finished my work. Let the computer be just like that. Is it a correct thing? Is it correct? Is it correct to do that? No. You should shut down a computer after using. Yes or no, children? After not only computer, anything. If you're sitting and working, if you're sitting and reading in one particular place, and after you finish your reading, what you will do? You will just like that throw the books and go over? No. My children will never do that. I know about my children. They will not do. What they will do? They will close the books, keep it inside their bag. Then you should not keep your hand directly on the switch. Yes or no? Last week, ma'am told about safety measures. Yes? Yes or no? You should not, being a small child, you all are small children, no? You should not touch the switches directly. Okay? Even if anyone asks you to switch on the fan in your home, your younger brother or elder brother, what you have to say? No, I will not do it. My ma'am asked me not to touch the switchboard. Yes? Yes, children? Yes. After doing your work, you should call your mother and say, Ma, switch off the light and fan. Yes? Yes, you all should conserve, right? Yes, very good. Likewise, after working on with computers, you should shut down a computer. Yes? So these are the learning objectives. Learning objectives means what and all you're going to know about or learn. Okay? Those who already know this, just listen carefully whether you're doing these things correctly. Okay? Yes? Yes. Every day we are learning something new. Yes or no? Every day, any one or two thing you will learn new. So listen carefully to this session. Yes? So what are the objectives, children? Now everyone should repeat after ma'am. Learning objectives. You all should repeat loudly without unmuting yourself. Okay? Repeat loudly so that ma'am will hear from you all. Learning objectives. Yes? So, how to start a computer? How to start a computer? Then, features of computer. Some new words. Yes? Features, icons and all are new words for you. So, only ma'am is asking you to repeat it again and again. Yes, while you're repeating a word again and again, what will happen? You will become familiar with that word. Yes, children? Yes. Features of computer. Then icons in the desktop. Now you all will know what is icon. Yes or no? It's a representative symbol. Something it will represent. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Icons in the desktop. All of you say this word. Icons. Icons in the desktop. Then how to shut down a computer. What you're going to know about? How to shut down a computer. Yes, shut down is nothing but turning off. Okay, turning off the computer. Turning off means after your work is done, you're going to turn off your computer. Yes. So, what is a computer? We are saying it's a computer. Yes or no? So, what is a computer? An electronic machine that can store information. See, we saw an English lesson. Do you all remember? Now, Ashwini ma'am, she taught you, right? She told mail sent through computer or called as electronic mail, email. She told you. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember that, children? Yes, she told, no? Mail sent to computers or called as email. Email means electronic mail. She told or no? Yes. All of you say electronic loudly. Electronic. Yes. So, computer is an electronic machine. Computer is what?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Jai Gurudev Kanna. Listen to the class, Kanna. Yes. It's an electronic machine that can store information. It can store information. See, your father and all now they are working from home, right? Work from home they are doing, right? They all sit before laptop or system and they will work. Yes. In some house, mothers are also working. Okay, what they are doing with the computer? They are working on it and the computer can store information. Okay, it can store information. Whatever you're doing, working on it, you can store it. Okay, some children will paint also in computer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Today, your father or mother, anyone will make you to paint in the computer and they will say you can save the information in the computer also. Okay, today you do painting in the computer. Later, ma'am will say how to save it by on your own. Okay, today with your parents' help, you paint and you save in your computer. Okay, tomorrow you open that and see the computer will be storing that information. Okay, today what you painted that will be in the computer. Yes, let's have a check. Let's have a try. Okay, an electronic machine that can store information. And what about computers? It helps in solving problems quickly and easily according to instructions given to it by human. You know what? Computers can't think on its own. Whatever human beings. Who are human beings? Who are human beings? We. Yes or no? We all are human beings. We should give instruction to the computer. Then only the computer will work according to it, according to the instructions. Okay, computer can't think on its own. If you have you seen anyone going and speaking to your computer? Computer, I want to perform this addition. Add 495 plus 540. What is the answer? Like that, if you say the computer will give the answer to you? No. What we have to do? We have to give instructions. We have to open calculator. Then we have to add it and then only you can get the information. Yes or no? You should give instructions to the computer. Who will give? We human beings should give. Yes or no? We human beings are brainy. Yes? How many of you are brainy? Just raise your hand. Let me see how many of you are brainy. Everyone, boldly, immediately you should raise your hand. Yes, ma'am, I am brainy. I know everything. I will learn new things. Yes, you should not have that hesitation. Am I brainy? No. You should be self-confident. Yes or no? When I ask this question, I want everyone to raise their hand. Yes, everyone are brainy. But we will learn new things on a daily basis to update it. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? Say yes, ma'am, loudly. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Ma'am will be very happy if I hear yes, ma'am, from you. So only I'm asking you to say it loudly. Yes? Yes, it's a digital machine. Computer is an, first ma'am told it's an electronic machine, right or no? That can store information. It is also a digital machine. It is also a digital machine. Yes, what is digital machine? Electronic machine, ma'am gave an explanation. What is digital machine, children? See, whatever input, whatever we are typing on the computer, it will get converted to the computer language in the form of 0 and 1 digits format, and then it will perform the action and it will give the output in the form which humans understand. Yes or no? If say for example, I'm giving one input. Say for example, we are doing calculation. Okay, I'm giving 45 plus 30. Okay, it will convert it and it will do the action and immediately within a fraction of a second it will give the output. Yes or no? Or it will take time? No. If you give the input to the computer, in a fraction of a second it will give the output. Yes or no? Input is the instruction which we are giving. Okay, children? And output is which the information the computer is giving. Yes? And it will give the output immediately. 45 plus 30 if you're giving, immediately you'll get the answer. You need not wait for it. Yes? Yes. So ma'am will again recall it. Just listen carefully. It's an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine that can store information. It can store also. Okay. If you save in the computer, it can store the information. Okay. If you are not giving save, then it will not get stored. It will not get saved. Okay, children. So an electronic machine that can store information. And what else a computer can do for us? It helps in solving problems quickly. How it will do? Quickly it will do. And easily, according to instructions given to it by human. It will perform the action only according to the instructions given by the human. Who are human beings here? We only. We all are human beings. Yes or no? It is a digital machine. All of you say the word digital. All of you say the word digital loudly. I want everyone to say loudly. Digital. Yes, very good. Yes. Now we are going to know about the important components of the computer. Okay. Power button. Power button. Have you all seen this button? Power button. In your CPU. CPU, it will be there. Yes or no? What is CPU? What is CPU? Huh? Wait, I will show in the picture first. Then we will see. Can you all see? See, in the side thing you have no CPU. Yes, in your CPU you will have this power button. Okay, while starting it, it's very important to first you have to switch on the computer. Switch. You have to on the power supply. Then you have to click on the power button. Then you have to click on the power button. All of you say it loudly, Kanna. Power button. Power button. Yes. If you click on that only, see, can you all see in the screen? Can you all see the image of the power button, children? Yes, can you all see? If I say yes, ma'am, loudly without unmuting, ma'am can hear you. Yes, power button. Then switch. Switch, which ma'am asked not to touch it. Yes or no? My children will not touch the switch. Even for playing or any reason, you should not touch the switch at this age. Okay? Then UPS. UPS. What is UPS? But now in many of our home there is inverter. Yes or no? Even if the current goes, the fan is also working and everything is working because we all have inverter. Yes or no? Are you all familiar with this word inverter? Inverter. Sometimes mom will say, no, hey, go and check the inverter whether current is there or not. Yes, by seeing the light you will say, no ma, only one light is there, so no current. Yes or no? Some children will do it. Yes. So we have inverter, and UPS is nothing but uninterruptible power supply. Okay, that is the abbreviation for UPS. Okay, children, why we are using UPS, you know? Why we are using UPS, you know? While working on with the computer, previously we used to use it. Okay, while working on with the computer, if suddenly the power supply, if suddenly current gone, we will say, no, ma, power off. Yes or no? If suddenly it went now without saving, our information or the work which you're doing in the computer will get erased off. Okay, for that purpose, we used UPS. But now, parents and all making our children more advanced. Yes or no? Parents are doing everything for your comfort. So they put inverter. No, my child can't bear if there is no fan. So everyone started using inverters. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now I want everyone. So now in today's class, you learned what is a computer. You all know what is a computer now. Yes or no? Yes. When asked what is a computer, you all should say it's an electronic machine that can store information. Okay, children? Yes. So power button, and then you have your switch. Then UPS. UPS is uninterruptible power supply. Okay, children? Yes, this is the picture of the UPS. Can you all see? Yes. Now starting a computer. How to start a computer? See, like this only computer will be there, not desktop computer. Yes, you can see a monitor. Yes, CPU you can see here. This thing near the monitor you have. Ma'am is zooming it. Can you all see, children, on your screen? Can you all see this picture of a computer? Yes. Can you all see it clearly now? Yes. Now, Ashwini ma'am will instruct you how to start a computer. Okay? Yes, are you all ready now? How to start a computer, she's going to teach you. Now you will know how to start a computer on your own. Yes? Yay! Yes, now you're going to learn a new thing. Yes, sit straight, all of you. When you're learning a new thing, I want you all to sit straight and be very brisk. Yes. If you're very brisk only, we can we can tell you so much of information. Yes, sit straight. Very good. Over to Ashwini ma'am. Ashwini ma'am.
Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes. 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 You can hear me? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Children, you all have learnt about computer. Yes. Yes. You all know already. You have learned so many things in computer, but then ma'am is giving you a recap on it. Okay. Yes. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device, isn't it or not? Yes, it works on a power supply. Yes. So you all have computers at home? Laptops? Yes? Yes. How to use a computer? How to switch on the computer? Yes. You have a power switch, isn't it or not? Yes. You can see a socket. Okay, yes, power switch. So you have to switch on. Hello? Yes, first you have to switch on the power supply. Go Krishnan of 2D. Please put on mute, Kanna. You have to switch on the power button. You all know. First, you have to switch on. Okay. Then, what you have to do? You have to switch on the UPS. Can you see your hand is switching on the UPS? As ma'am told you, what is an UPS? It's an uninterruptible power supply, isn't it or not? Yes. So you can. So when there is a power shortage, if there is no current, that UPS will provide temporary current. Okay, yes, that is called UPS. So you have to switch on the UPS. If you don't have UPS also, it's okay. Then you have to switch on the UPS. See, there is a power button for that also. Okay, you have to switch on it. Next, what you have to do? Next, what you have to do? You have to switch on the CPU. You can see a box next to the monitor, isn't it? Isn't it or not? Yes. What is a CPU? Central Processing Unit. Can you all repeat after me? Central Processing Unit. CPU means Central Processing Unit. It is like a heart of a human. Okay, how heart and brain is more important for a human. Likewise, CPU is more important for a computer where all the data are being stored. Okay, so switch on the CPU. Then you have to switch on the monitor. What is a monitor? You can see like a TV screen, isn't it or not? Yes, that is called as monitor. Yes. Now, come on, all of you. Okay, shall we recap it again? Yes. What you have to do first? What you have to do first? You have to switch on the power button. Then you have to switch on the UPS. Then you have to switch on the CPU. Then you have to switch on the monitor. One by one only you have to switch on. This is a procedure. You should not immediately, you should not put tap, 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 tap. No, you should not switch on everything. Okay. It's a mission. Okay. You have to follow certain things. Only then you can maintain. Otherwise, what? It will get what will happen? What will happen if you do something like this? If you're, it will get repaired, isn't it or not? Yes, it's a machine actually. Yes. Next, ma'am. Next slide. Yes. Next, did you know about the desktop? As I told you, monitor, when you switch on, immediately you'll get the desktop. This is what called as desktop. Can you all repeat? DESKTOP. Desktop. What is this called? Desktop. After switching on everything, you will get a screen like this on a monitor. This is called as desktop screen. All of you repeat, desktop. So what are the things find on the desktop? Can you all say? Ma'am told you about something about the small pictures on the screen, isn't it or not? What is it called as? Icons. Very good. It is called as icons. 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 What are they called as? Icons. Very good. Icons are the small pictorial representation of that particular application. If you switch on, it will open to that particular application. Say for example, if you switch on that, you can see my computer. You can find few icons on the desktop, isn't it or not? Can anyone tell what are the icons? Few icons. Immediately you can see and you can also tell. Those who are using computers, you can see on the desktop so many icons. Yes, what are the icons you can see? The my computer. When all the applications you are installing, it will be showed as a small icons on the desktop. Yes, so many of you are replying. Yes, so yes, so many of you are using antivirus. Yes, very good. Recycle bin. Yes. Afterwards, after the class gets over, you just switch on the computer and see what are all the icons you could find. Okay, then you can tell me in the next class what are all the icons you can find on the desktop. Okay, with this, we will end this class, but ma'am is going to give a small recap again. So, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. Isn't it? What are all the parts of a computer? Come on, recall and tell. Already I've learned so many things like this. Okay, in the last year itself, you have done this. What are all the parts of a computer? What are all the parts of a computer? Yes, monitor, CPU. What is the abbreviation for CPU? What is the full form for CPU? Ma'am told you, no? All should know that full form. Central Processing Unit. Come on, repeat. Central Processing Unit. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Then keyboard, mouse, speaker, even you have UPS. So these are all the parts of a computer. You have part of your body, isn't it or not? Eyes, nose, tongue. You will say no, ears. Likewise, computer also has a part, isn't it or not? So monitor. So what is a monitor? What you can see in the monitor? This is a what? Screen of the computer. It shows whatever is typed in through the keyboard. So whatever you are giving input through the keyboard, what you are typing in the keyboard, you can see through the monitor, isn't it or not? It shows the numbers, words, pictures, isn't it or not? Yes, you might have worked in the lab also. You started drawing, isn't it? Yes, Kanna?
I didn't see that.
I can't hear you, Kanna. Yes. Next. CPU. As I told you, CPU is a central processing unit. It is considered as the heart and brain of the computer. Actually, it stores the data. Whatever you are storing, it is stored in the CPU. It makes your works easy. Okay. Next. So you can see a keyboard, isn't it or not? What is a keyboard? It looks like a typewriter, isn't it or not? It has alphabet. You can see here. So it types whatever you're typing, it is displayed on the monitor, isn't it or not? Yes. Next, mouse. You have mouse. So you can see a small mouse, isn't it or not? What is the purpose of mouse? It is a pointing device. Okay, it is a pointing device. When you move the mouse, can you see the cursor point, arrow mark on the desktop? That is called as cursor. cursor, cursor. Okay, it's a pointing device. So if you want to select something, that mouse will help you to select. Okay, so it is it controls the cursor. Okay, you have to say that as a cursor. That arrow mark comes now. That is called as
Any color means you should change in with the mouse.
yeah, dear. You can select. Very good. You can select for any purpose. You are going to select means you should use that mouse. Mouse will actually controls the cursor. Okay, very good. You know so many things because you are getting to use. Yes. Nowadays you are using the computers more, isn't it or not, for online class? Those who don't have computers also, you just go through what ma'am has said. It is in so many books, and even you can Google search and find so many information about the computer. Get as many information about the computers. Next class you can ask ma'am. Otherwise, you can tell that information to me. Whereas ma'am also don't know so many things. You can tell me. Okay, you just find out so many interesting facts about computers, the basic features, and then you come and tell to me. Okay, is it okay for you, everyone? Yes, yes. With that, we will complete this. And today is a friendship day. You all know that? You all want to wish your friends. You all miss your friends so much, isn't it or not? Yes, you want to wish your friends. Ma'am will give you 10 minutes so that you can unmute your video and say happy friendship day to your dear friends. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Would you all like to say happy friendship day? Yes or no? Yes, but one by one, don't. You should not disturb others. One by one, only 1 second you have to tell and then you have to unmute yourself. The deal is still. Okay? Is it okay for everyone? Yes, shall we start? Yes. Who is going to say first? Come on, quick.
Yes, you can unmute your audio and video.
Friends Day. Happy Friends Day.
Yes, you can see your friends now and wish them.
Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friends Day. Happy Friends Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Friendship Day.
So that your friends can see you.
Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friends Day, Samrita. Happy Friendship Day, Sankaishwarya. Happy Friendship Day, Loshini. Happy Friendship Day, Ethan. Happy Friendship Day, Ashley. Happy Friendship Day, Sanana. Happy Friendship Day, Santi. Happy Friendship Day, friends. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day, Sana. Happy Friendship Day, Roshan. Happy Friendship Day, all friends. Roshni. Happy Friendship Day.
நீ உன் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்குல்ல அதை சொல்லி சொல்ல.
Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day, Yalini. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day, Yalini. Happy Friendship Day. Hashini. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Hashini. Happy Friendship.
இதுக்குதான் பேசிக்கிட்டு
Happy Friendship.
காஞ்சனா மேம்
Happy Friendship Day, Jackie.
காஞ்சனா மேம்
Roshni.
அஸ்வினி மேம்
Friendship Day, Yalini.
காஞ்சனா மேம்
Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day.
காஞ்சனா மேம் can you hear me?
Happy Friendship Day, Roshni. Happy Friendship Day.
காஞ்சனா மேம் your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, now okay, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Your voice also not audible.
Friendship Day, Hashini.
now okay ma'am now okay ma'am.
Yes. So children, you all are very happy now seeing your friends. Yes, you all are very happy. Very good, very good. Yes, ma'am is also very happy to.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, can you hear me, ma'am?
All your happy faces
Hello.
after so long time, ma'am is seeing. Very happy. I'm very happy to see you all. Like this, you should be always happy in your life and stay home. Stay safe, children. Okay? If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Or if you want to wish, also you can wish your friend now. Yeah.